How to make milk foam only. Press and hold the cappuccino button for 3 seconds. The machine will enter manual milk frothing mode, and only the cappuccino single double lights will stay on. Frothing will begin automatically. When you've reached the desired amount of milk foam, press the cappuccino button again to stop frothing. For more advanced or personalized frothing settings, please refer to the user manual. Detach and clean the frothing tube and the frothing tube connector with tap water, then fix back. Lift the silicone flap, don't pull it out. Wash it by tap water. After cleaning, dry and place the silicone flap back. Silicone flap frothing tube connector.